How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Pasquale. I'm the Director of Tech here at Keller Williams San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate the Reports feature of Keller Williams Command. So from Command, we're going to go ahead and press Reports, and then right here at the home page, you're going to see a bunch of different information here. You're going to see Dashboard, Reports, Goals, Emails, Texts, and Calls. Right now, we're going to be looking at the Dashboard feature. So starting with the Dashboard tab. What this is basically an overview for your contact tab right here at the top left. This is going to let you know all your statistics for your contacts. Now, what I mean by statistics is each one of your contacts has a health score out of 100%. And there's a lot of stuff that contributes to health score. These are just some of them right here. There's going to be a video at the top right corner in a gray box that you click on that is going to go more in depth over percentages and what goes into your database health score. So if you want to watch that video, pause now, go click that video, come back here later. But moving on, some of the things that go into your health score is your phone number, email, address, neighborhoods, and home anniversaries and birthdays. As you can see, my average database health score is 70.92%. I have majority of phone numbers in my database. I have no home anniversaries because most people in my database are new agents that get hired at our office. Over here on the right hand side, you're going to see this little circle wheel. What this is a tracker for the tags that you use within your contacts. When you make a contact, you are able to give them a tag. As you can see, 86% of my contacts, they have the tag new agent. After that, it's KW launch. We scroll down a little bit more, we're going to come across a tab called Database Activity Score. Now, what Database Activity Score is, this is kind of like a tracker to make sure that you are following up with your contacts and making sure you are constantly reaching out to them. As you can see, I don't really reach out to a lot of my contacts for a while. I have 60% of my contacts I have not reached out in at least 90 days. 9% of them I've reached out with in the past 30 days. So it kind of keeps track and lets you know maybe I should reach out to more of my contacts. Next, if we scroll up to the top, we're going to press our Reports tab. Reports tab, all Reports is a tracker for opportunities. And if you use opportunities, what this does is let you know how many of them you have in each category, what your potential income is, and all your different kind of statistics for opportunities. So if you use opportunities, this Reports feature is very awesome and will help stay on track and look at your goals. Next up, we have the Goals tab. What Goals is, this is once again another breakdown for opportunities. This lets you know how many people in your database you have marked as a lead, how many contacts you have, how many contacts you have made into an opportunity and set an appointment with, how many of those appointments you actually kept, how many agreements you have from the appointments, how many of those agreements turned into a contract, and how many contracts you have closed. And this is your profit tracker to show you how much income you have earned. And you can set an annual profit goal if you want to. If we scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see your year-to-date activities. What this is this is your whole command, and this lets you know all your activities that you do within your command. So as you can see, I have sent out 64 smart plan emails. I have sent out 61 regular emails, 12 neighborhood searches. As you can see, it kind of shows you kind of your little statistics here. Your goal conversion rates, once again, this is the same thing as this tab up here, but in just a different chart. And this over here is a goal breakdown to show you how much money you're off from hitting. So next up is what I think is the coolest feature about the reports, which is the emails feature. And what this does is lets you keep track of all the emails and smart plan emails that get sent out. So what I mean by that is under this delivery and engagement tab, you can see how many of your emails were delivered, undelivered, opened, clicked, replied, and unsubscribed. What clicked means, because this is a little confusing, this means they opened the email and they physically clicked on a link within your email. Other than that, down here, you have your marked as spam tab. So if they marked you as spam on your email, it'll let you know. And that is pretty much it with the emails feature. So it's very nice, very cool, and it just lets you know what people are doing with your emails. Next up on the reports list is the final feature called Text and Calls. And all this is a statistic counter for Twilio. Twilio is what we use in Command to send and receive text messages. It requires credits and you do have to pay for them. But what this is, it lets you know how many credits you have left, how many credits are expiring this month, and how many messages you have sent and received. Other than that, that is it for reports feature. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment down below and I will try to respond to them whenever I see them. Other than that, thank you and I hope you have a fantastic day.